Hi there, and for this video, we're going to teach you how to buy crypto on Kraken. Now, first off, let me say it is much easier to buy this on the mobile app, especially since the app syncs with the payment methods that you have. Unfortunately, in my case, I am located somewhere which Kraken does not fully support, so it does not recognize some of the day-to-day payment transactions I use. In fact, the app itself was getting stuck on me, so I could not show you. However, for example, in my case, the best option I have is to use my Visa card, which you can add when you buy crypto. So for example, let's tap on buy crypto. It would immediately ask me for a payment method. The only methods I have right now is a debit and a credit card. And as you can see, it's even recommended. Now, depending on where you're located, you may have more options for different payment methods, especially on the mobile app. But in my case, say I wanted to deposit cash, the only option I have right now is Etana Custody, which is a separate site. I would have to create an account there, but the advantage is I can make a bank transfer to Etana, and then from Etana, I would then pay to Kraken. So it is a two-step process for where I'm at. Normally, you could have more options. Now, each of the currencies do have different minimum amounts, and you can order them by recurring or a custom order, not too different from limit orders. So you set a price, and if it hits that price, only then will it automatically deduct from your registered payment method. As with the recurring orders, you can fix it by daily, bi-weekly, or monthly. So you can set an amount that will deduct within these intervals. And of course, there is instant. Now, I would need a payment method to see the minimum amounts that I can buy along with the fees. And I do not have that right now, but this is how you can buy crypto over at Kraken. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please leave a like, maybe subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new videos. Thank you for watching, and see you again next time.